Welcome to the Stout Mountain Railway Raffle for the Thomas and Percy trains. We have Gerald Ham with us. He's the manager at Shop Smart, our one of the stores of CK Markets, who's our host. And without further ado, this is the Percy can. Close your eyes, shake them up, and draw the winner. Close your eyes. Look away.
I can't pick out my nephew or niece or whatever. Here we go.
Okay.
This is up.
And it's legible. Okay. King Price. The number's legible there. Why don't you give him a call?
Okay.
And when we call him, we have Thomas now.
Of course. Okay, now I got one.
And it's legible too. D. Stutter. Local Brookings.
Bird from South Mountain Railway.
Gerald, thank you very much for helping us.
Appreciate it.
Thanks for hosting and everything.
Percy.